Okay, now in the last class we learned this tool, that is pencil tool, using which you can draw free lines, free form lines, any shape you can draw. Then a paint bucket or fill with color, this you can use to fill a closed area like this. Using the fill tool you can fill inside it. Then if you want to type the text, we can use the text tool. Click on the area where we want the text to type and type the text. Then after that we learned this eraser tool. Eraser tool is used to remove the unwanted part of the image. Okay, if you want to increase the size of the brush, in the size you can select the size, or you can use Ctrl plus on your keyboard, Ctrl key and plus on the numeric keypad. That will increase the eraser. Okay, after that color picker. This tool also we discussed. If you want to select any color from the image, you can use this. For example, in this color I am filling a light green. Then another shape I am drawing. Here another shade of green another shade of blue I am using. After that again one more shape I am drawing. Inside this I want this light blue color. In that case we can select that color using the color pick tool. Click on the color pick tool and click on the color. That will be the active color. After that use the fill tool and click inside it. That is color picker. Then magnifier tool, this also we discuss. If you are drawing complex drawing, then we can increase the view size. After that we can draw very easily. When we increase the view, you can draw very easily. So after that you can zoom out. For that you can right click the mouse. So that will be the original view. Then last one is brush. So in the brush tool you can see so many brushes. First one, that is standard brush. After that two calligraphic brush you can see. This is special type of brush, calligraphic brushes. And after that you can see airbrush. Airbrush is just like spray paint, spraying the paint. And below that you can see some more brushes. One is oil brush, just like you are using oil or oil painting. So those who are familiar with painting, there are different type of painting: oil painting, then charcoal painting, watercolor painting. So when you are using this brush, it will have a effect of oil when you are painting with the oil. So that is the oil brush tool. The next one is crayon. Crayon pencil, all of you are familiar, that wax crayon. So when you use this brush, it will have an effect of a crayon pencil. Then after that, marker. Marker pencil, you might have seen that whiteboard marker pencils. A big sketch pens like a big pen, that is marker pencil. That is another type of drawing tool. If you use this brush, you will have the effect of a marker pencil or marker pen. And this is natural pencil, just like we are drawing sketches using our ordinary pencil. This is natural pencil. Then last one, that is watercolor brush. Now we can check all the brushes. So first brush is standard brush. So if you select, when you are using a standard brush, that drawing will be like that. Okay, what color you are using, that color will be applied. The thickness you can select from the size. That line thickness you can select from the size. Change the thickness and you can draw. Okay, that is standard brush. Then calligraphic brush is just like knife. When we are drawing paintings using oil, we will be using a knife. So when you use this brush, you can see it is just like painting with a knife. The shape you can see. When you are moving, the shape also will be changing, just like you are using a knife. A knife is a tool, just a thick, wide tool, just like what we say, a flat surface. Instead of that bristle, that end will be a flat surface. So that is that type of brush. So this is calligraphic 1, and one more calligraphic is the calligraphic brush 2. So this has slight difference, some more thicker this brush is. Different knives we will be using when we are using oil painting. Okay, so like calligraphic brush are different natural sized brushes. So in this MS Paint only 2 calligraphic brushes are there, but in some advanced drawing application more calligraphic brushes will be there. Okay, then after that airbrush, that is just like spraying the paint. So you can just click where you want. You can increase the size. For increasing the size you can use Control key and plus on the numeric keypad, so that brush size will be increased. After that select the color that you want to airbrush, then you just click where you want to spray that paint. If you click 2 times, it will become more concentrated. Okay, so that is airbrush. So this is a useful tool. You can draw different shades using this airbrush. There are different colors shadings you can use for drawing. So that is the use of airbrush. Okay, the next one is oil brush. So when we are using this, okay, that is different types of brush. We discussed standard brush and 2 calligraphic brush, then air, that is air brush. The next one is oil brush. Okay, when we are using oil brush, so that will have an effect just like we are using oil. You can see that paint is dipping the way we are dragging. Okay, we will take the new. You can see the paint is dipping the. Okay, this is oil, just like you are using the oil. Okay, the next one is, you cannot see. Okay, then the next one is crayon painting. This is crayon. When you use the crayon, it will have the effect just like you are using wax crayon. You can see how the paint is painted on the screen. So this is wax crayon brush. So it will have the effect of wax crayon. The next one is, after that you can see marker pen. This is marker pen. So this will have the effect we are using the marker pen. So in the edges you can see when we are moving on the edges, you can see just like we are using the marker pen. Okay. After that standard natural pencil. So that if you want to draw some shapes before coloring, we can use this natural brush. The last one, okay, then the last brush is watercolor brush. Just like using the watercolor, when you are moving the brush, it will start high density in the beginning. When you are moving last, it will be getting deeper and deeper. Okay, that is just like you are using watercolor. When you are dragging the brush with the watercolor, that color will end at the last end point. So this will have an effect of using watercolor painting. So according to the requirement of the painting drawing, we can use this different type of brush. If you are using oil painting, you can use that oil pen style. Then if you are using crayon, you can use the crayon paint. So that depends upon your painting. Okay, these are the different brushes. And using these tools, we are drawing the images. In a textbook, one example is there, that is drawing the picture of a tree. For drawing the picture of a tree, in a textbook, the border, it is using the pencil and drawing a border like this, a border of the tree. Then after that, this is the leafy area of the tree. After that, a trunk is drawn. A trunk is drawn. You can see on page number 18, you can see this picture. A similar picture you can see, page number. So using the pencil, outline is drawn. Okay, then for filling the color, you have to select the color. For leaf, we will be using the green color and use the fill tool and click inside that area. Okay, similarly, for the trunk, we select the brownish color or dark brown color. For the trunk color, we have to select and use the fill tool and click the trunk area. Okay, now if any mistakes are there, we can use the eraser tool and we can rub that area and we can draw again using the pencil tool. Okay, the pencil tool we can draw again. After that, again we have to select the same color. If you don't know which color you selected for filling this, you can use this color pick tool. Use the color pick tool and click on the color. Okay, after that use the fill tool and click it again. So that color also, that gap also filled. Okay, then after drawing, all of you know how to save the images. For saving, you can click on the save button. Now a save as dialog box will be displayed. You can select the folder where you want to save. In my pictures or my documents. In your computer it will be different. Here I am using my pictures folder and I am giving the name for the tree. In the file name box you have to give the name tree. Okay, tree. Then what type of file you can save as BMP picture or PIC picture or PNG picture. Normally paintbrush pictures will be JPG. You can save as JPG or PNG. All are picture type files. Okay, different format inside the computer, it will be storing in different format, but all are picture files. Okay, after that click save. Okay, then if you want to open, next day if you want to open, click on file menu, that is paint button. This is paint button. Click on paint button, then select open, then locate your folder. Locate your folder, find out the folder where you saved. In this case it is picture folder. Inside the picture folder you can see the file name. Select the file name, click open. Okay, that picture opened. Okay, this is the use of tool explaining in your textbook. This tree you can draw different way also. You can use airbrush also for drawing. For example, after drawing the trunk, just draw the trunk using the pencil tool and use the color to fill and fill it. Okay, brownish color, we will be using brownish color. Then I am using this airbrush. Using this airbrush, I am using green color and I am spreading over that area, just like pressing my mouse button, left mouse button, you can see these dots are coming. If you press several times, it will have an effect of small leaves on the tree. So different way you can draw. According to your idea, you can use all these tools. Okay. This is paintbrush tool. Okay. You can just drag also, just hold the mouse, you can drag over that area also. Then it will be continuously spraying that paint. Okay. These are the drawing tools. Using these tools, you can draw any picture according to your requirement. Okay, these tools you can practice only after starting the computer lab session. Otherwise, it is not possible to do in mobile phone. Those who are having computer can do it in your computer, can practice.